Hello friends, welcome to JokalTech. Today in this video, we will study how to install Turbo C++ in your computer as well as in your mobile phone. So let's start. So open your browser and click on search bar and search Turbo C++ download. So the link appears on the page. You have to download from our official site of this Turbo C++, that is this one. The download option is available here. Click on download now. Then the next page opens and this downloads the file in your folder, which is this one. I have downloaded the file, so I have cancelled it right now. After that, you have to wait for it to get downloaded, and as it get downloaded, your file will be in your file manager. After opening that file, the installation page will appear. You have to click next and finish button to install that app. So I have installed this application. It creates a desktop icon like this. I will click and open the Turbo C++ and show you the interface of this application. So this is your application open here. So to open a new file where you code C language, you have to click Alt F and enter. This opens a blue screen, and this is your space for writing a program. So I will write a short program and show you its output screen. Hash include angle brackets stdio.h, then hash include conio.h. These two are the header files. There are more header files in this application or while writing a C program. These two header files are the main basic one. So I wrote a function void main, which will be the main part of this program, and here I will write a sentence to print a message to print in output screen, that is JokalTech welcomes. Then afterwards semicolon. Get ch. This is also another function to put the screen at the standing position as it prints the output. So here I will compile my program with Alt C and enter. If there is any error in the program, it will show you. This is your output. JokalTech welcomes you. If you like this video, do share, comment, subscribe and give a thumbs up, and stay tuned with my channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.